Are you looking for the best water diverter for driveway? Water intrusion at garage thresholds and driveways is a common, costly pain point for homeowners. Properly chosen water diverters and threshold seals can dramatically reduce basement flooding, mud, and moisture-related wear, while also improving energy efficiency by limiting drafts and damp environments. This article evaluates 5 options across a price range from budget to premium, focusing on real-world performance.
Product number 1. GIN Overview. The 20-foot universal rubber threshold seal is designed to block water, wind-driven rain, and debris from entering the garage space. It features a yellow safety strip for high visibility, an anti-slip serrated base, and a flexible rubber composition rated for temperatures from -40 Fahrenheit to 284 Fahrenheit. The product is marketed as DIY friendly with adhesive-backed installation and is compatible with concrete, asphalt, and painted surfaces. The height of 0.6 inches and width of 3.7 inches create a substantial curb, intended to bridge typical garage floor gaps while maintaining traffic clearance. Prospective buyers will appreciate the long length, visibility of the yellow strip, and broad temperature resilience. Prospective users should expect straightforward cutting to fit, and the 360-day after-sales support from GIN and Bow adds reliability at this price point. Performance-wise, the 0.6-inch profile balances seal effectiveness with door clearance, reducing drafts and water infiltration without impeding door operation under typical residential conditions. The serrated groove base aims to enhance adhesion to various floor substrates, which can be crucial on uneven concrete or old coatings. In practice, users should prep a clean, dry surface and consider a primer if you have dusty or highly porous concrete. While the yellow accent improves safety awareness in high-traffic garages, over time, UV exposure may lighten the color. The product's durability claims are credible given the broad temperature range, but long-term adhesion on very dusty or oily floors may require additional surface preparation.
Product number 2. GIN Overview. This blue variant mirrors the yellow model in construction and dimensions, offering the same 20-foot length, 3.7-inch width, 0.6-inch height, and rubber composition designed to withstand -40 Fahrenheit to 284 Fahrenheit. The blue safety strip provides similar visibility benefits and anti-slip ridge pattern for adhesion. It is pitched to seal the gap between the door and floor, keeping water, dust, and debris out, while complementing concrete, asphalt, or painted surfaces. The listing emphasizes the same DIY installation and 360-day support, positioning it as a budget-friendly alternative with the same functional specs as the yellow version. In practical terms, this blue variant should perform equivalently to the yellow version in terms of sealing efficiency and durability. The blue tint may be more forgiving of scuffs or minor staining in low-traffic garages. For users with concrete floors that have slight texture or old coatings, surface prep remains key to maximizing adhesive hold. The product's design emphasizes ease of installation and clear visibility for safety, but the real-world performance hinges on proper substrate preparation and ensuring the adhesive penetrates into the surface crevices for lasting adhesion.
Product number 3. QuickDam QD65-2 5-feet barrier water overview. QuickDam's QD65-2 flood barriers are a compact, water-activated barrier system designed to form a solid barrier when wet. Sold as a 2-pack, each unit measures 9 by 3 by 8.25 inches and swells to approximately 3.5 inches high upon activation, creating a portable, reusable solution for temporary flood control without sand. They are lightweight, ship-ready, and designed to be shaped into driveways or doorways to divert water. The lack of a price point in the listing requires buyers to consider typical QuickDam pricing for the 2-pack, but the promise of immediate readiness, no filling, no sand, appeals to quick deploy scenarios. The primary advantage is rapid deployment and reusability for transient flood events. In use, these barriers offer flexibility and ease of storage with a dual chamber design to resist displacement once activated. The limitations include the need for water to activate
and the inability to use with salt water due to potential chemical reactions. They are not a long-term replacement for installed thresholds, but excel in acute flood scenarios at the driveway or doorway interface. For best results, align barriers end-to-end to extend coverage and ensure they are kept away from heavy foot traffic until fully expanded to their working height.
Product number 4. Toll & Bat 20-foot, 6-meter Universal Garage Door Threshold. Overview. Toll & Bat offers a 20-foot universal threshold seal that combines black EPDM rubber with a yellow safety stripe, plus two 300 milliliter adhesive sealants. Its dimensions mirror the other threshold strips, 3.5 inches wide, 0.5 inches high, and a 20-foot length. The product emphasizes corrosion resistance, weatherproofing, and energy-saving benefits by forming a tight seal at the door-floor interface. The inclusion of two adhesives is a practical value add for ensuring adhesion on varied substrates, and for users who want extra sealant coverage. The design aligns with modern garage door thresholds, seeking reliability, visibility, and easy DIY installation. Performance-wise, the EPDM material offers good resilience to temperature swings and wear from repeated door operation. The optional yellow stripe enhances visibility, and the included adhesives are meant to support strong initial bonding. However, actual performance depends on substrate prep and the condition of the floor. Some buyers may find that the 1/2-inch height profile and 3.5-inch width to slightly alter door clearance or existing threshold fit, so precision cutting and careful measurement are advised.
Product number 5. Pig Water Barrier Overview. The Pig Water Barrier System is a premium, sandless flood barrier designed to be deployed in front of driveways or garage entries. Each pair provides 2 by 10-foot sections with a 6.5-inch width and a shallow 0.25-inch height, swelling to up to 3.5 inches when activated by water. The system emphasizes no sand operation, biodegradability, and a wedge design to prevent movement. It is explicitly recommended for one-time activation with prolonged residual water exposure expected until evaporation. The 2-pack at $59.99 positions it as a high-end, ready-to-deploy option for flood-prone areas where quick setup and reusability matter, and where saltwater exposure is not an issue. In practice, the pig barriers offer robust shape retention and a simple deployment workflow. Unroll, place, flood. The water-activated polymer absorbs water to swell, creating a solid barrier that stays in place due to its wedge design. Limitations include the requirement to limit saltwater exposure and to avoid driving over fully saturated barriers. For driveways that face frequent flooding or rising water levels, these barriers provide a high-visibility, low-muss deployment solution, albeit at a premium price and with potential long-term evaporation considerations.